What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. So today I have an interesting video. I am going to introduce my family. They came in from North Dakota to visit me at my new place. If you haven't watched my other YouTube video, you should go watch it about the life update and you'll know exactly what's going on. And so here we go. I'm going to introduce you guys to my family. So it's 11:30 right now and we're at the Doubletree Hilton, and I decided to stay with them until they go back home. And so here's my sister Priscilla.
Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm Mia's sister.
And we call each other Sid. I don't know like where it came from, we just call each other Sid too. So here's my beautiful mother, Melissa.
Hello.
It feels like a FaceTime call. Yeah. All right, and here's my grandma.
Hi.
All right, so let's do a little outfit check. I got these blue sweatpants with the butterfly from Walmart. I got this little twin star sweater from Target on sale. And here's my shoes. They're Juicy from TJ Maxx, I think. And then I got these cute sunglasses the other day from Meyer. These are it. They're so cute. They're like $22. I think by Ophelia Rose is her name. Alright, so everybody's still in here, the fam. We're all waiting for my mom to shower, and then we're gonna go eat at the hotel restaurant and go to the gift shop. We got some errands to run, and me and my mom actually ran a few this morning. And so I've had this situation going on for about like almost 2 years. Like my car was having like some trouble with like registrations and like paperwork junk. Anyways, I have this now and I am finally street legal and I can drive everywhere I want. And I already got a Michigan driver's license. It's enhanced so I can go to Canada whenever I want. So here is actually the bridge right there. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so that's actually the bridge to Canada. So this first one right here is going to Canada, like a truck. The second one back there is coming to America. So yeah, I can go there, come back whenever I want, take like a mini shopping trip, whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that situation. Alright, here we all are. So now we're gonna go to the hotel restaurant and the gift shop. We're about to get our grub on now. I'm not gonna say grub. Alright, we about to eat. Okay, so I got the fish tacos, my grandma got a fish burger, and Sid got a chicken burger, and then my mom got some steak, but they're all in the bathroom except for me and Sid. Our mom forgot to redo the key to the hotel room, so now we're all waiting here in the hallway. And then we're gonna go to the gift shop. Show what you're getting, Sid. That's so cute. She's getting that hoodie, and what else?
Turtle necklace.
Sid said, I like turtles. Alright, so we're at the Blue Water Bridge right now, and we're gonna take some pictures of my family in between the United States flag and the Canadian flag. Grandma has to stay in the car because it's a long walk. Oh yeah, okay. Oh yeah, okay. Well, I was trying to record the... You can record them.
And now we're back recording.
Okay. Yeah, we're at Lighthouse Park, showing them around. I've been here before with Donaldo over there. Oh look, be kind.
Little pennies.
That's so nice. All right, y'all, let's go look.
I got a penny.
Penny for your thoughts. Okay. Ooh, almost dropped the camera. Uh-oh.
She's our oopsie daisy.
Oopsie daisies.
We are at the Fort Gratiot Lighthouse right next to the Coast Guard Museum.
Okay, yeah, at the lighthouse. Have you ever seen a lighthouse before?
Never.
Is that what it's called, right? A lighthouse? Okay. This is the first time I've ever seen one, and I've seen it. Well, we went earlier, right? We went a couple months ago, and I seen one for the first time. Now it's their turn to see one for the first time. All right, so here we go. All right, there it is. Look at that. Oh, it's the top? Nuh-uh. Here we are at this bridge. Look at the boat docks. Cold. Me and her got the same thing.
Just went to Kebabs.
Kebab Grill, Mediterranean cuisine. Oh, their letters blew away. I just noticed that they blew off, babe. Alright, so now...
We're headed to Home Depot to get a Hello Kitty key with a military discount.
Yeah, we're doing that. Getting my house key in the Hello Kitty form. At the Home Depot now, about to go get my key done. Hopefully they have the Hello Kitty key. And they have it. Look at that. I'm so excited. They have the key. It's so cute. I also got this cute clip because it kind of matches my key. So there's that.
Hey guys, so today we're gonna be taste testing Kylie Jenner products. We have Winter Kiss. Alright, here we all are. So now we're gonna go to the hotel restaurant and the gift shop, right?